Yes, I hope everyone is doing great. She got up with a slight fever because yesterday we gave her like 3 huge vaccines for your own good. She didn't let us sleep because she had mild fever. And give vaccines, that usually happens. But let me show you some cute tricks of Naishu. Not tricks, but she understands what is what. Naishu, show your hair. Naishu's hair. Very good. Okay, show your hands. Show. Yes. Show your stomach. Where's your stomach? Tummy. Where are your ears? Very good. Okay, where's Naishu's nose? Naishu's nose. Even now, she's a little bit feverish, but should be fine. It takes at least 48 hours. Now it's been just like 24 hours. Back in my coffee. Since the last couple of days I've been telling you I'm feeling very lazy, and today the pakka very sleepy because girl didn't sleep. We have two things to do today. Okay, we have 2 important events today. One is a family function. One of my cousins is getting married. So I'm gonna go attend that, and after that in the evening we have a small event, a get together with friends. Our biking gang. For now I started my editing. Photo. Nice. Selfie. She knows how to open the camera and then she does this. Nice. Selfie curve. With the phone, dude. See, she already opened the camera app. Next generation vlogger. हमारे घर में. चलो, now let me get ready, attend that family function, and after that evening we'll go meet my friends. By the way, I started using the skincare routine. This is especially to fight acne. Getting acne is not a big issue. Everyone between the age of 18 to 35, you have this problem. It can be due to diet changes, it can be due to your work stress, it can be due to hormonal changes. Problem is with the after effects of acne. You're left with marks, left with open pores. Abhi idhar udhar hua to theek hai, but this is right on your face. When you talk to someone, it's nicer to look clean, right? That is where these products really work. This is the serum which has like 10% niacinamide in it, and this is the AHA BHA foaming cleanser. These are specifically made by dermatologists so that they work towards your skin safely and effectively. Dermaco has like potent ingredients in it like vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, and all these are in like proper prescribed range. This is like proper 10% niacinamide serum, and the importance of niacinamide is that it not only helps in clearing the acne but focuses on removing the marks. It helps reduce the enlarged pores. Also, the serum is induced with zinc, which will help regulate sebum production, and it promotes clear skin. Overall, you'll be having very nice skin texture. And the Dermaco as a brand, they promote living without filters. The brand believes that we are the best versions of ourselves and we don't need to hide behind filters and makeup to look good. I feel that's right. You have to love the skin you were born with. Since recently you guys know that I started working out because of that. I have hormonal changes. My work stress has increased a lot and slowly acne has started bursting out. That is not a problem like I told you, but then the after effects that I have to treat. I mean, I can definitely see the differences. Looks much clearer. Just cleanse your face with this AHA BHA foaming cleanser. Now take 2 to 3 drops of this 10% niacinamide serum. You can put it directly on your face or on your palms. Give it a gentle massage until it gets absorbed. You can use it in the morning once and evening once. And in case you're using this in the morning, make sure you use a sunscreen. In case you guys have acne problem and you want to try this out, there is a link in the description. You can buy these products. You can use Reman20 at thedermaco.com and get flat 20% off. Now let's go get ready and I'll see you down. What does that mean? Where's Papa? One more thing. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Where's Papa's bike? Where's Papa? That's not Papa, dude. Show. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? I'll go out. That's Papa's bike. Where's Papa? That's bike. Papa's bike. Okay, let's go to this family event and come back jolly, okay? Can't afford to keep her out much today, especially because of that vaccine. She's a little bit cranky. We'll go in the new car, okay? We'll go in the new car. You want to sit in the car? You'll sit in the car? I'm not sure if she can take it. Okay, sit. You like it? You like it, Naisha? Actually, yesterday when we took her to the vaccination, the same car in the Seltos, same issue. She puked. no car is helping. We thought it's problem with the burner because it's a sedan and all, but no, Seltos maybe same problem. That it was not a long distance, it was just like 10 or 15 minutes of travel and then she puked. While going, while coming. You want to get down? Yeah, she's very scared of the car, yaar. Phobia ho gaya isko. Yeah. Okay. Take 2. Ulta shoes. I should now show your shoes. Where are your shoes? Show. Oh, very good.
She knows her favorite shoes also. These are currently her favorite.
Nice
sandals.
punch karo, punch.
Punch.
Very good.
Punch, thank you, Beta.
High five. Very good. What else? Oh, punch again.
She's obsessed with punch.
Okay, punch.
You just want to punch.
Not with your leg.
Just want to punch.
Extremely difficult parking. Problems of having a huge car. Was Naishu fine?
Okay.
10 minutes, that's it. Were you fine? With the mask, I'm not able to understand your expressions.
That's cool, right?
Thank you, Naishu. You did boni.
What is boni?
So boni is the first time, first girak. What do you call it?
Shagun.
Shagun. Hindi mein shagun.
Shagun is like a good Muhurat. It's considered auspicious also.
This is not that first boni. How to explain it? Difficult. Anyway, she puked on me. Congratulations. Actually, I didn't understand how did this happen. Car mein she was fine. After she got down, almost after half an hour, she puked. I was carrying her suddenly. Bleh.
क्योंकि पानी पिया भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी.
She was having a lot of water, I think, because of that, and a little bit stuffy inside. That's the reason we're sitting outside and having lunch. I'm not having. Pooja is enjoying proper South Indian thali.
I love South Indian food.
Buralu, papad,
Papad has become something else.
jeera rice, paneer,
Kesar halwa.
kesar halwa. I can't see kesar halwa.
Masala wankai.
Oh yes.
Masala wankai without wankai. No, I like masala. I don't like wankai.
Actually, Pooja loves South Indian food more than me, and I love North Indian food more than her.
For everyone it's like that. They like other food more.
No, I like South Indian as well, but more preference is North Indian.
Yeah,
That's
good,
why
no?
we gel.
Punch.
Actually, you also punch. Very good. Okay, time is almost 5 o'clock. Didn't go as per plan. I thought Naisha would be fine in the bigger car, but it's not happening. Pooja is loving the car, but Naisha, she's still not liking it. She's getting really sad once she gets into it, so I don't know what to do. I think we need to start using those drops. Doctor gave us some drops for motion sickness. So in case we're doing like long travel and all that in the car, road trips, then maybe we will have to use those drops. Otherwise, moving on to the second part of the day. Told you right, all of us friends are meeting. It's a Sunday today, so we thought we'll meet. Have to be there in 1 hour. We're going to this place called Comic Social. I think I'll see you there directly. Actually, Pooja had to come along with me, but then she had to drop last moment because I told you right, yesterday we took Naisha for vaccination. Today the effects are showing. She's got a slight fever. We thought if she's fine in the evening, we'll take her and go. But no, she's not fine. She's getting really cranky and I don't think she'll be comfortable out. Better they stay at home. So unfortunately, Pooja is not coming. I wanted her to come. Sad part is she's the one who planned all this. Bad luck. Maybe some other time she'll come. For now, solo rider once again. As usual, first one to arrive.
What's up?
First guy to arrive. Very good boy. Always punctual. Actually, he and me are always punctual. Charan is still okay. Charan is still okay.
నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చారా?
I'm the first one to arrive. I thought I'm the first one, but chalo. Pranav ko denge first rank. I think I have to give you 2 gifts now.
Why?
He came to my house also first.
అది ఇప్పుడు గిఫ్ట్ ఉందా?
And what's up, Manoj?
హాయ్ మొన్న ఏమైంది తెలుసా ఓకే
చెప్తావా కెమెరా?
నథింగ్ ఆల్ గుడ్.
షీ వాంట్స్ టు రివీల్ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ మై సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్. నాకు తెలియదు అనుకుంటాడు నేను ఉన్నా అని మధ్యలో. ఐ నో దట్ ఈస్ బిహైండ్ బట్ ల్యాక్ యాజ్ ఎఫ్ వస్తున్నా. ఓకే ఓకే. హౌ కమ్ సోనీ అల్ఫా వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్
ఫోకస్ బటన్
నౌ?
అవసరం టేక్ వన్.
వాడు యాక్టింగ్ కోసం ఇప్పుడు ఇది వచ్చి నేను నాకు తెలియదు అనుకుంటా. ఎవరు చెప్పకండి గమ్మున ఉండండి. వాడు యాక్టింగ్ చూడు వెనక కోతి లెక్కలు చేసుకుంటూ రాకపోతే చూడు అమ్మా చేస్తున్నా నేను చెప్తున్నా చేస్తున్నాడు పక్కా చేస్తుండు కదా. ఐ నో నీ గురించి చేసావా? ఐ నీడ్ టు రిమైండ్ అండ్ సీ. ఏ చేతు వాట్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్. You looking sexy, dude.
Thank you.
Oh, by the way, Kishore is also here. Third rank, fourth rank, fourth rank and fifth rank. What's up, man?
A grandfather paradox.
No, so basically the plan is to, whoever is coming late today, we want to buy them tickets of Tenet to torture them. The movie is good, but you'll not understand. It's like mindfuck. Edwin is here. He saw the movie and came.
Already 20 నిమిషాలు లేటు.
Great guy. He went 20 minutes late to Tenet anta. Tenet ki 20 minutes late vedanta.
రేటింగ్ తెలీదు.
Rating ఇవ్వడం కూడా కష్టం రా.
ఇవ్వడం కూడా కష్టమే.
I know what you understood from the movie, that they want to save the world. అంతే, ఇంకేం అర్థం కాలేదు కదా.
ఆ ఇన్వర్షన్ వాళ్ళు రివర్స్ అవడం ఎందుకు అసలు
3-4 times if you see it, you might get an idea a little bit, 10%.
కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైంది. హీ డిస్కవర్డ్ ఇట్, దే కెప్ట్ ఇట్ ఫర్ హిమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్.
By the whole gang, almost the whole gang is here. Wide angle వస్తుందంటావా? Never imagined it's gonna be like this.
కదా
Kids everywhere.
టూ మెనీ కిడ్స్.
One kid is missing, nice as well.
ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాడు బయటకి?
శౌర్య
బాగా వస్తుంటాయి వీడి దగ్గర. ఐ విల్ నెవర్ యాక్సెప్ట్
Arey,
ఇట్.
seriously, she went for a vaccination yesterday. Today, you know, right, what happens?
ఏ లపెట్రా.
Ask Sujan, he called me yesterday.
ఎందుకు
మీరు ఒక్కడే మాస్క్ వేసుకొని వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని గిల్టీ ఫీల్ చేపిస్తాడు.
మాస్క్ వేసుకుంటే అందరూ జిమ్ క్యాడీలు అవుతారంట.
సేమ్ శివ అలగ్ వెంట శ్రీశైలం
అలక్సాలకు కాదురా, అడుగునా కానీ
yesterday, right?
ఆ ఏడుపులన్నీ అయినాయి. నువ్వు రాలేదు కానీ మీ సబ్స్క్రైబర్ చాలా మంది తగిలినారు. ఇదిగో ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నాడు.
He didn't call me. Alak चुपचाप चले गए. नहीं. Actually, we might plan a small ride, both of us. Dual tone. Mostly 90%, 90, 100, 200 or 200%. Okay. Where we'll tell where? No, not yet. Because we are not sure about. Actual plan was Aurangabad. We wanted to see Ajanta Ellora, but then
అజంతా ఎల్లోరా
both are closed. అక్కడ పోతే మాకు వస్తుంది. సో ఐ థింక్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ హోల్డ్. ఆల్టర్నేట్ ప్లాన్ బంద్రా. సో మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ బై ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీక్ వీ షుడ్ ప్లాన్ కన్ఫర్మ్. అండ్ అదే సీరియస్లీ, డూ యూ నో హౌ ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ టు కమ్ ఎర్లీ? డూ యూ నో హౌ ఇట్ ఫీల్స్?
ఎర్లీ అనే వర్డ్
డిక్షనరీలో ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ సెడ్ 5:45. Okay, then I called you 5:47. And you said
551.
5:51 I called him. He said, "Le, ఇది next level నీకు అర్థమైతలే. 5:51 को Forum Mall parking में you made me listen to the echo also in the parking cellar. I'm starting, you said. Does it take like 1 hour? 1 hour 10 minutes. మధ్యలో ఏమేం చేసి వచ్చి
నేషన్ వాంట్స్ టు నో.
మళ్ళీ ఫోరంకి వెళ్ళా. ఫోరం నుంచి మళ్ళీ లోపలికి వెళ్ళా.
నాకు చెప్పాలి కదరా. రోడ్ మీద ఒక్కడే ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా. దీనికి టెనెట్ మూవీ చూపించాలి. We need to send you to Tenet.
చాలు.
Oh, you saw?
చూసా, ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ హాఫ్ చూసా. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ స్కిప్ అయింది, రాలే.
ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్నట్టు అర్థమయ్యేది.
ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ లేట్ అయ్యా. ఏమడుతున్నా బొంద 20 minutes లేట్ రా. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ మొత్తం
మరి ఇంకేం అర్థమైంది మూవీలో?
నాకు ఎక్కడ చెప్పాను అర్థమైందని.
ఈ బ్రెయిన్ కి మామూలు సినిమాకి అర్థం కావు. So how many days more should I be like
10 రోజులు,
10 more days?
అంతా తెలిసిపోతా అంటే
ఊర్లో కలిసిపోయినారు.
Panda is very good at expressions. For example, smiley చేద్దాం. Okay?
స్మైలింగ్
Smiley test. We want match.
అరే మ్యాచ్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్లా అసలు దీన్ని మోసడే కష్టంగా ఉందా?
Every time he comes and he sees me with the camera, he's fascinated with it, about the weight especially.
కాదురా నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను ఇందాక నుంచి పట్టుకోవడానికి.
You'll get muscles within 10 minutes.
ఇక్కడ ఇట్లా రాయలా తయారైంది.
Sketch ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great.
What's up guys? What's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. అదే కష్టంరా కెమెరా ముందు మాట్లాడడం. అది అలా నన్నే చూస్తున్నట్టుంది ఇందాక నుంచి.
I wish. I'm sorry, I got late.
ఎవరు పట్టించుకోలే కూర్చో.
ఎవరు పట్టించుకోలే కానీ.
ఎవరు దిగలే.
8:30కి వచ్చావేంట్రా? 6:30కి రాలేదు. Did they allow you, nature?
Yeah, they are out.
What chappal it is?
Thanks రా. Thank you
Can
very
you
much.
please explain what happened yesterday?
చెప్పలేం కదా ప్లేస్.
Why not?
Okay, we went to a restaurant. He was not there. Simple.
Why
For teacher, Tommy Hilfiger చెప్పలు వేసుకుంటు.
fake Tommy Hilfiger chappal?
చెప్పు, అది కూడా చెప్పు. బిర్యానీ తిన్నారా?
పోయి ప్యారడైస్ బిర్యానీ. సింగిల్ బిర్యానీ 2 people.
నో, వాడు మటన్ నేను చికెన్. బట్ పట్టించుకోండి, లైట్ తీసుకో. ఐ టోల్డ్ దెమ్ ఐ వోంట్ బి అలౌడ్ బికాజ్ ఐమ్ వేరింగ్ చెప్పల్. అంటే చెప్పాలంటే పారగాన్ చెప్పలు కాదు,
Tommy Hilfiger fake chappal ante kada.
టామీ హిల్ఫిగర్ చెప్పాలి. అవి స్వైప్
So
చేసిన.
from today onwards he decided not to wear chappal anywhere.
నో, ఐ విల్ బి కంఫర్టబుల్ ద వే ఐ వాంట్.
What shoes and came today?
ఈరోజు ఎంగేజ్మెంట్కి వెళ్తుండే కదా.
అక్కడ కూడా రాని డౌట్ వచ్చిందా?
Okay, that is a surprise. That is a surprise.
Nutella chocolate lava cake with ice cream with powdered sugar. నా ముందు తింటున్నారు. ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ చేయకుండా నా ముందు నిద్ర పట్టదు నాకు రాత్రి.
పడుకోకరా.
నా నిద్ర పట్టదు, మీకు అరగదు.
పర్లేదు.
ఓకే సర్ప్రైజ్. Basically, two brother vlogs and Iguru Crazy 50k ka celebration. Soda sa celebration. Organized by Sharon's wife in Manogna. కాదా మరి? అరే అన్లాక్ చేయరా. వస్తున్నా ఏడో
ఏంది బ్రేకింగ్ ఉందా?
ఉంది కానీ కొంచెం పర్లేదు, తక్కువ పర్లేదు. It seems actually I forgot. Srujan did not see my car till now. Bye. Even actually Bahubali didn't see the car. Going for a quick test drive.
What cameras?
Side.
Oh, abba!
Hey.
Fancy!
అట్లా ఇటు పోనీ, మెయిన్ రోడ్ ఎక్కురా.
ఖాళీగా ఉందని తొక్కచ్చని.
మరి అట్లా తొక్కకరా. అంటే బ్రేకింగ్ ఉందా కొంచెం వస్తాయి. బట్ వీ నీడ్ టు సెట్ ఇట్.
ఇండికేటర్ రాగానే కెమెరానా లేకపోతే స్టీరింగ్?
Whenever you put the indicator, you get the camera. Full gadgets, full loaded.
ఓ ఒక పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ లో చూడాలన్నమాట అది.
No, you can change it. అవన్నీ settings, and you can even customize the color of it. Now you're seeing in white, right? You can put it in orange and green as well.
ఫీల్ ఉంది కార్ లో.
How is the engine?
స్మూత్.
You're driving a petrol for the first time, right?
ఐ మీన్ పెట్రోల్ బేసిక్లీ ఫస్ట్ టైం.
వెళ్ళు స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్ళు. అన్ని ఇరికి గల్లీలో పోతాం ఏంట్రా? రాణిగంజ్ అలవాటైంది బాగా.
అరే సస్పెన్షన్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో స్మూత్. ఇట్స్ లైక్ బటర్ పుడ్డింగ్.
Yeah, you felt it smooth? I thought it's a little bit sturdy.
No. Smooth compared to my
Okay,
Creta.
now you try sports mode. Yeah.
Hey, I like the response. Already thought like the power తెలుస్తుంది.
It holds on to the gear.
Sexy. But in mana DCT is always DCT ma.
Too good, right?
DCT, see bikes lo kuda DCT is like too good.
Oh, it DCT ఉంది కదా ఇది బైక్
అరే బట్ టిగ్వాన్ కంటే కొంచెం బాగుందిరా
కదా. I don't want to say it but actually Tiguan
నీ ఏమన్నా grip levels ah dude I made the turn in it's more responsive
and responsive.
and
That's because the diesel, this petrol turbocharged. Say that.
32 బటన్ ఉన్నాయంద్రా.
So what is your rating for the car? For the DCT petrol turbo 1.4?
See, I'm coming out of from a Creta diesel, right? Same chassis.
Yeah.
It feels completely different. నేను ఇంత ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు దీనిలో పవర్.
నేను చేయలే, అందుకే అది సెల్టోస్ లైట్ అనుకున్నా.
అరే ఇట్స్ ఎడిక్టివ్.
Yeah, it is very nice.
స్పోర్ట్స్ మోడ్ వద్దురా, నార్మల్ మోడ్ బెటర్ అది. సస్తామరా అది. ఆ స్పీడోమీటర్ చూసి నడుస్తున్నాను నేనైతే హెడ్ స్టూడియోలో. నీ వర్ణైతే లాగలేం.
ఇంత రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు వర్ణ. I was surprised.
అరే 9.7.
That is in sports no ఇంకా no.
కార్ ట్రిప్ వేస్తే నేను ఇదే తీసుకొస్తాను. క్రేటా ఇంట్లో పెడతా.
Good. So you liked it, loved it.
See, because even my dad is planning to buy a Seltos, so.
But you will not take a petrol, no? That is a problem. If you're open to that, go for the DCT petrol. You'll have this response.
And you're getting decent mileage. I mean, for this car, for the power.
Yeah, you get good mileage.
And highway pan for sure acquisition. Because even my Creta is giving the same amount.
You put it in eco lo చాలా powerful ఉంది. I mean, you can't compare it to sports.
Our response ఒక్కటి తక్కువ.
Only starting response.
Yes.
Bye Creta. Hi Creta. పాపం క్రేటా ఎక్రేసి నేను కూడా వైట్ కలర్ తీసుకున్నాను లాస్ట్కి. చలో, ఐఎమ్ గ్లాడ్ యూ లవ్డ్ ఇట్.
అరే సెక్సీ కార్.
We have ventilated seats, bro.
ఏంట్రా ఇది రెడ్ లైట్ ఉంది?
That is Are you didn't listen to the sound system, boss? This is the best part.
Was raised by the wolves, apes to their full.
I'll go by. You can distract.
Chalo.
See you. Bye guys.
See you with the Seltos.
Hit the bell icon.
Second version.